Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A political pressure group known as Grace Mission has been inaugurated to ensure that only credible candidates are voted into elective office nationwide. Isoko-born business mogul and philanthropist Dr. Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Damotech, while inaugurating Grace Mission at Ole, headquarters of Isoko South Local Government Area of Delta State, said the move was driven by the need to reject unpopular candidates fielded by some political parties to contest next year's general elections.
At Ole, headquarters of Isoko South Local Government Area of Delta State, billionaire businessman and philanthropist Dr. Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Damotech, last week inaugurated the Grace Commission, whose goal is to enthrone good governance in Isoko Nation, Delta State and the country at large come 2023. Henceforth, members of the group will sink their political differences, shun unpopular candidates fielded by their various political parties, and shop for credible candidates who they can trust with their votes. While inaugurating the Grace Mission, Dr. Omoyibo declared support for candidates vying for various elective positions on the platforms of the PDP and SDP, those he believes can transform Isoko Nation, Delta State and the rest of the country.
My team, AKUGHA for president, Sheriff Oborori for governor, and Jele for senate. These three positions, they are contesting under PDP platform. While the House of Rep, I'm supporting Dixon Ebegbare for House of Rep under the platform of SDP. Also, David Onejaga for Isoko North House of Assembly under SDP. Saboni Dove under SDP in Isoko South Constituency 1. Also Lucky Idove under Isoko South Constituency 2.
A major task before members of the Grace Commission is to sensitize voters on the need to reject all forms of political injustice, particularly the lopsidedness characterizing power rotation between Isoko North and Isoko South local government areas in the Isoko Federal Constituency seats. Since 2003, Honorable Leo Ogo from Isoko North has been serving as member representing Isoko Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives. For the Grace Commission, it is the turn of Isoko South to produce the next occupant of the Isoko Federal Constituency seats in the National Assembly.
This time around, the House of Representatives must come to the Isoko South. So we are supporting 5 boy for House of Rep.
I'm voting Dixon Ebegbare for House of Rep, SDP. Isoko is the highest onshore producer of oil. And so I will make laws that would benefit them. I'm also going to make sure that Isoko is lighted up, either through the national grid or through turbines.
We will make healthcare accessible to the people. At least to children between age of 0 to 5. We will have some kind of free medical services to them. Women, pregnant women, widows, they are very dear to our heart. In terms of education, primary education is also key.
As part of wide consultations, members of Grace Mission had visited the Odion Ologbo of Ole Kingdom, His Royal Majesty King Anthony William Ovrawa. The visit was to seek his royal blessing, a request which was granted without hesitation.
You are not selfish. We continue to bless you. Yeah.
Grace Mission had also appointed canvassers with a mandate to get to the grassroots to mobilize support for candidates who can make governance relevant to the needs of the people, regardless of their parties. In a bid to make life comfortable for the people, Grace Mission had provided economic empowerment for over 600 persons who were issued checks of various sums to engage in business startups.
Inside the Niger Delta,